So I just got up this. So did Ian.
Yeah, I'm right here.
Hey, Ian.
We climbed down it earlier.
They're trying to get up it right now.
Got a little shot of the surreal over here. That's beautiful.
Make sure your weight's leaning forward and you got something to grab. Jeff made it. Yeah, yo, chill, mega chill. Oh, dude, don't brush yourself off.
Yeah.
Josh, reach up with your right hand and grab that ledge.
Hey, but am I able to do this for real?
Be careful. I don't know.
Yo, guys, this way.
This way. Yo, this way's easier.
Yo, watch out. Take a picture, man. Are you on video?
Yeah, I'm videoing this shit.
Oh, never mind, man. You alright, buddy? Yeah. Come up there. I'm just making sure that. Yo, I'm telling you, Christy. Yo. Come up. I'm telling you, this way is. It's not bad.
No, that is not.
That's just fun. Alright. This way is not
It only gets better. It only gets better. You get to the slap.